Wealth is not about having a lot of money. It's about having a lot of options. Chris Rock. The biggest risk is not taking any risk. In a world that's changing really quickly, the only strategy that is guaranteed to fail is not taking risks. Mark Zuckerberg. Think you know the secret to financial success? What if everything you thought was true about money was holding you back? The truth is, there are money myths that seem harmless but are actually sabotaging financial security for millions of people. And today, we're breaking down the top myths that could keep you from reaching your goals. Ready to uncover these misconceptions? These myths are everywhere. Social media, advice from well-meaning family members, even popular financial gurus can spread ideas that might harm your financial future. Let's separate fact from fiction and arm you with the truth you need to make smarter choices with your money. Myth 1. Keeping money in cash is the safest bet. Cash loses value over time due to inflation. Imagine if you saved $10,000 under your mattress for 20 years. Due to inflation, that $10,000 would likely only buy what $5,000 could buy today. In contrast, if invested, it could have grown significantly, preserving its value. Myth 2. A higher income guarantees wealth. Income alone doesn't guarantee wealth. Wealth comes from saving and investing. Think of professional athletes who earn millions but end up bankrupt because they didn't manage or invest their money. A teacher who saves and invests could accumulate more wealth than a high-earning athlete who doesn't plan. Myth 3. You don't need an emergency fund if you have credit. Credit can lead to debt, while an emergency fund offers true financial security. Imagine you lose your job and need funds to cover 3 months of living expenses. If you rely on credit cards, interest will pile up quickly. An emergency fund allows you to stay afloat without increasing debt. Myth 4. You can time the market for maximum gains. Market timing is difficult and risky. Consistent investing is more reliable. Investors who try to time the market often miss out on big gains. For instance, missing the 10 best days of the stock market in a decade can drastically reduce your returns, while a long-term, consistent approach averages out. Myth 5. Financial advisors are only for the wealthy. Advisors offer valuable guidance for everyone, not just the wealthy. A young professional on an average income might use a robo-advisor, which can help them invest and plan for the future, providing tailored financial advice for a fraction of the traditional cost. Myth 6. You should always buy a home instead of renting. Renting can sometimes be a smarter financial decision than buying. In high-cost cities like New York, buying a home may require a down payment of hundreds of thousands. Renting might allow someone to invest savings in stocks or other assets that grow more than property value. Myth 7. Paying off debt means avoiding all investments. While high-interest debt should be prioritized, some investing can benefit you long-term. A young adult with student loans at a 4% interest rate might still invest in a 401k with employer matching. That matching essentially doubles their contribution, often outweighing the interest cost of their debt. Myth 8. Wealth is all about luck. Consistent financial habits contribute more to wealth than luck. A regular worker who invests just $200 per month from their 20s can retire with over $1 million, regardless of luck, simply due to compounding. Myth 9. You don't need to invest if you have a pension. Additional savings help ensure a comfortable retirement and protection against pension uncertainties. If someone's pension provides only 50% of their current income, personal investments can cover the gap, allowing them to maintain their lifestyle in retirement. Myth 10. Financial independence means cutting out all fun spending. Smart budgeting includes enjoyable spending to maintain a balanced lifestyle. Allocating a small part of income to experiences like dining out or travel prevents burnout and keeps people motivated, making financial independence sustainable long-term. For more insights on avoiding common financial mistakes, check out our video, Don't Make These Money Mistakes. Link in the description. If you're finding these insights valuable, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future content. We're dedicated to helping you achieve financial success. Myth 11. The stock market is too risky for beginners. Beginner-friendly investments like index funds are designed to reduce risk. A first-time investor can start with index funds that track the entire market, balancing risk and reward, and making it a simple, safe starting point for beginners. Myth 12. Debt should be avoided at all costs. Some debt can lead to positive returns, like mortgages or business loans. A couple takes out a low-interest mortgage and sees their home value rise over time, eventually selling it for a profit, proving that not all debt is negative. Myth 13. Insurance is just an extra expense. Insurance provides critical financial protection for unexpected events. If someone without health insurance gets injured, medical bills can be overwhelming, leading to debt. Insurance may seem costly until it saves thousands in an emergency. Myth 14. You should only save after all bills are paid. Paying yourself first by saving as soon as you're paid encourages better savings habits. Setting up an automatic transfer to savings right after payday makes saving easy, while waiting until the end of the month often leaves nothing left to save. Myth 15. The only good investments are in stocks. Diversification is key to balanced financial growth, not just stocks. Someone invests in a combination of stocks, bonds, and real estate, creating a portfolio that's resilient in downturns, where relying on just stocks would have led to losses. Myth 16. I'm too young to start investing. The sooner you start, the more you benefit from compounding returns. If a 25-year-old invests $50 a month, they'll likely have more by retirement than someone who invests twice as much starting at 35 just by starting earlier. Myth 17. Financial success comes from sacrificing everything. Now, sustainable financial success includes balancing saving and spending. Saving aggressively, but allowing for occasional spending, like a weekend trip, keeps people motivated and prevents burnout on their path to financial success. Myth 18. The government will take care of me in retirement. Social Security and government benefits often provide limited support. Social Security provides only about 40% of pre-retirement income for the average person, so personal savings are essential to maintaining quality of life. Myth 19. Credit scores don't really matter. Credit scores impact loan approvals, interest rates, and sometimes even job offers. A young adult with a strong credit score secures a low interest rate on their mortgage, saving thousands over the loan's lifetime. A low score would have led to much higher costs. Myth 20. Investing requires a lot of money to start. Apps and online platforms allow people to start investing with very little money. With apps like Robinhood or Acorns, someone can invest as little as $5, making it accessible to nearly anyone and allowing beginners to start building wealth incrementally. Myth 21. You need to have money to make money. This myth keeps a lot of people from even trying to build wealth. In reality, there are countless ways to generate income streams with little or no initial capital. Take John, who started a blog on personal finance using free online tools. Over time, he built a following and turned it into a source of income through ads and partnerships. Myth 22. Saving is enough for financial security. While saving is essential, putting your money to work is crucial for long-term wealth. Simply storing money in a savings account with minimal interest isn't enough to keep up with inflation. David has $10,000 saved in a low-interest account. Due to inflation, that money loses buying power over time. By investing it in a diversified portfolio, David could potentially grow his money and keep up with inflation. These myths are pervasive, but understanding them and breaking free from them can have a transformative impact on your financial life. As you take action and move forward, remember that financial wisdom is about making informed decisions, being adaptable, and questioning outdated beliefs. Curious to dive deeper? Our next video, How to Become Rich Financial Growth, Think Outside the Box, will guide you through unconventional strategies for wealth creation that can truly set you apart. Join us there to continue building your path to financial success. If you found value in debunking these myths, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with anyone who might benefit from a clearer financial perspective. We're on this journey to financial freedom together, and your support means a lot. This video is for educational purposes only and is not intended as financial advice. Always consult a financial professional for advice tailored to your personal financial situation.